Hi everyone, if you are preparing for architecture entrance exams like JEE, NATA, Architecture Aptitude Test and GATE Architecture Entrance, then you must watch this video till the end because in this video I am going to discuss most important architecture sun path theory reasoning questions. So without wasting any further second, let's get started. So the very first question is, why do architects in the northern hemisphere prefer orienting buildings to face south? The options are because the sun rises in the east, option B to get more natural ventilation, option C to receive maximum sunlight throughout the year, option D to avoid rainwater stagnation. So the right answer will be option number C, to receive maximum sunlight throughout the year. Question 2, why is it important to study sun angles when designing a skylight? The options are to ensure structural stability, to reduce artificial lighting, to control glare and heat gain throughout the day, to allow wind movement. So the right answer will be option number C, to control glare and heat gain throughout the day. Moving on to our next question, question number 3. In a hot and dry climate, how should windows be placed for minimum heat gain? The options are on the south side, on the north side, on the east side, on the west side. So the right answer will be option number B, on the north side. Question 4. In sun path diagrams, why does the sun's arc appear lower in winter? The options are because days are longer, option B due to tilt of the earth away from the sun, option C because earth spins faster, option D due to solar flares. So the right answer will be option number B, due to the tilt of the earth away from the sun. Moving on to our next question, why are vertical louvers more effective on east and west facades than horizontal ones? The options are they are cheaper, sun is higher in the sky during morning and evening, sun is lower and more horizontal in the morning and evening, and option D is vertical louvers look more attractive. So the right answer will be option number C, sun is lower and more horizontal in the morning and evening. Next question, question number 6. Why does the west facing facade usually require more shading than the east? The options are because it is larger, option B because evening sun is hotter and more intense, option C because the sun sets in the east, option D because plant grow better there. So the right answer will be option number B, because evening sun is hotter and more intense. Next question, question number 7. On the 21st June, the sun is at its highest point in the sky in the northern hemisphere. What is this date called? The options are winter solstice, equinox, summer solstice, and zenith day. So the right answer will be option number C, summer solstice. Next question, question number 8. In India, which orientation of a building receives the least direct sunlight throughout the year? The options are A south, B north, C east, and D west. So the right answer will be option number B, north. Next question, question number 9. The longest shadow is cast during, the options are known in summer, sunrise or sunset, known in winter, and known in winter. Again known in winter. So there must be another option, but anyways, so the right answer will be option number B, sunrise or sunset. Next question, question number 10. Which date marks the longest day in the northern hemisphere? So we are talking about the longest day and the shortest night. The options are A December 21st, option B March 21, option C June 21, option D September 23. So the right answer should be option number C, June 21. Next question, question number 11. On which 2 days does the sun rises exactly in the east? So the options are June 21st and December 21st. Option B, January 1 and July 1. Option C, March 21st and September 21st. Option D, March 21st and October 15. So the right answer should be option number C, March 21st and September 21st. Next question, question number 12. A vertical shading device is best situated for which facade? Options are A east, option B west, option C north south, option D east west. So the right answer must be option number D, east and west. Next question, Which shading element allows winter sun but blocks summer sun? The options are A. Vertical fins, option B. Glass canopy, option C. Deep horizontal overhang, and option D. Translucent louvers. So the right answer should be option number C. Deep horizontal overhang. Next question, question number 14. In a hot dry climate, which orientation is preferred for openings? The options are east, west, north south, and north. So the right answer should be option number D, north. Next question, question number 15. The best orientation for solar panels in Australia is, the options are A, south, option B, west, option C, north south, and option D, north. So the right answer should be option number D, north. Next question. The length of shadow increases when, the options are sun is directly overhead, option B, sun is low on the horizon, option C, it's cloudy, option D, during summers only. So the right answer should be option number B, sun is low on the horizon. Next question, question number 17. Why should west facing windows be shaded well in tropical regions? The options are morning light is harsh, option B, to avoid rainwater, option C, afternoon sun is intense, option D, wind enters from the west. So the right answer should be option number C, afternoon sun is intense. So the next question is question number 18. So question number 18 is, the sun rises in the northeast and sets in the northwest during, option A, December only, option B, winter, option C, summer, option D, January only. So the right answer should be option number C, summer. Next question. In the northern hemisphere during winter, the sun's path, option A, high and long, option B, low and short, option C, directly overhead, and option D, same as summer. So the right answer should be option number B, low and short. Next question, question number 20. Which of the following reduces glare while allowing natural light? The options are A, solid wall, option B, louvers, option C, glass block, option D, plywood panels. So the right answer should be option number B, louvers. Next question, question number 21. Which shading device is most effective on north facing facades in India? The options are louvers, option B, chhajja, option C, blockboard, option D, none. So the right answer should be option number D, none. Option number D, none will be the right answer. Question number 22. For a south facing window in India, a horizontal projection should ideally be short and steep, option B, long and low, option C, vertical, option D, tilted downward. So the right answer should be option number B, long and low. Next question, question number 23. A horizontal shading device is most effective on which side of the facade? The options are east, option B, west, option C, north, and option D, south. So the right answer will be option number D, south. With this, the questions are finished, and thank you for watching, and like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Just keep watching our content. Comment down how you like this video. Until next time,